Hey guys, welcome back to Rhino Off-Road, and today we have, it's a short little video, it's nothing crazy, and it's really nothing mechanical, it's more ergonomics, comfort. Most people, they buy a machine like this, they adapt themselves to the machine, they don't change it. And for comfort's sake, you shouldn't adapt to the machine should adapt to you, to make you comfortable. You are the operator. Now, the Kawasaki, if you've ever sat in a Kawasaki, they're big, roomy. The interior is fantastic. The stock seats are so good. It's a roomy, great machine. The steering wheel placement is not right for me. It's I'll explain it later on. It's all to do with comfort, leverage, how you steer. So today's video is this bad boy from Full Access. It actually spaces your steering wheel closer to you by 3 inches. And I think it was last week or the week before, I was going over this again. And I sat in the machine and I was pretending the wheel was closer to me and it felt better. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to space the wheel closer to me and ride it and see if I still get that upper back pain after a few hours of being bounced around. So that's the video today. It's nothing too long or crazy. It might help you. You never know. Sit in your machine, feel out different positions, make the machine work for you, not the other way around. So smash that subscribe and let's get after it. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Where the steering wheel is now, my shoulders aren't even touching back here. And my arms are straight out. You can't steer like that. There's no way. Your arms should have a comfortable bend to them. It can't be too close or you're going to hamper yourself. So I find when I'm really in a comfortable position, I'm about here. That's the bend in my arm. That is roughly 3 inches back. Now, if you're sitting back like this, it's not only more comfortable, but you feel like you're more part of the machine, not sitting on top of the machine. You feel like you're part of it. Now, 3 inches back is about there. That is going to be a really, really good spot, I think. This is too much. And also there's leverage on your arms. If your arms are farther out, you have to grab that wheel because you're going to get tired having your arms straight out. Now you're clasping that wheel so your arms don't fall off. Fatigue. That's the whole thing, is fatigue. So I think about there, that is going to be optimal comfort, I think. So let's get this old wheel off, get the new one on, and see how that feels. Okay, here we go. First thing, make sure your wheels are straight and this wheel is straight. Make sure it's straight right across. Very important because you're going to be upset with yourself later. Now, Kawasaki stock wheel, very easy. Reach back here, give a pull. Just little snap tabs. That's it. Now, this is going to be tight, and well, it should be. So you need a 19 mil. Get in here. Not tight for an impact. If you're doing it by hand, yeah, it's probably going to be tight. Now, that come right off. Sometimes they don't. I've had them very, very tight, and you have to like bash them, beat them, swear. But if you do, and yours is tight, take your nut. It'll only go on one way because it's a nylock. Twirl it down almost to the end of the threads. Get a hard plastic hammer and give that a good whack. All you want to do is shock it and get that to fly in or the wheel to fly off, either one. Okay, that's nice and clean, nothing's buggered up. All right, let's get the adapter. We have our adapter here, and you have 6 holes, or whatever your pattern is for whatever you get. Now, we got to figure out where these holes go, like this. So for that, you look at your steering wheel. This one, top dead center, straight up and down. So we do that with this guy. There, just like that. Now, even, I'm going to make it even one tooth over. You can tell. Come in to where you sit, and it's easy to tell that is not right. Bring it back one tooth. That's where it should be. Okay, so I'm going to put a washer back in. Now I know it's a nylock nut, but I'm still going to give it a little bit of blue Loctite. Just because it's my thinking that basically every nut and bolt on this thing should have blue Loctite. It's not permanent. Nothing's going to come loose if you use it. Like, there is no downfall. So every single thing I take apart that hasn't been apart, it gets blue Loctite. So we're going to give this just a quick little wrap. You can torque it, but since it's nylock and I put blue Loctite on it, just snug. That's all you need. All right, so I'm going to go get some bolts. We'll get this in, center cap, all that, and that is it. This is one quick installation. Okay guys, we're in the cabin here, and this is a big difference. I used to sit like this, but now that feels too close. So I can sit farther back and still have the same comfort. Wow, that I like that. That's working good so far. Now, one thing I had not accounted for is this. It opens up my whole field of view. The other wheel had, it was up higher here, and it came in, and it kind of blocked the gauge. I could see it, but I had to move around a bit. This, while I'm back where I should be, both my gauges are completely visible. So, that's awesome. Little unexpected surprise there. Now, I'm going to use this for a while. I'm not going to do it like first run. Oh, this is amazing. This is great. I'm going to put some serious mileage on this, then come back and, you know, give an honest report. Would I do it again? That kind of thing. So, yeah. But as for now, it's pretty good. I like that. I can feel it in my upper back. It's going to be easier on the long rides, I can tell. So, that's it for this one. Nice short little install video. So, smash that subscribe, as always, and we'll see you in the next one.